Hi, Ajay Maya ji, uh, Director, Press Information Bureau, Government of India. He introduced me also. Perhaps you are aware that on 12th March 2021, on the occasion of 91st Salt Satyagraha led by Mahatma Gandhi, it was announced by our Honorable Prime Minister to observe this celebration in 5 divisions, in 5 subheads, and these 5 subheads is that on the occasion of 75 years of India's independence, which has been termed as Azadi Ka Mahotsav, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. And under this program, he has divided 5 subgroups, subheads, or 5 pillars, you may say. And these 5 heads are: one is freedom struggle, and another is ideas at 75. Freedom struggle, and one is freedom struggle, second is ideas at 75. Next, third is achievements at 75. Next, actions at 75, and resolve at 75. Perhaps you are able to understand that freedom struggle at 75, it means to make the people aware on the matter regarding our freedom struggle and what are the struggle, and we achieved freedom through our struggle, and for that many people have sacrificed their lives, shed their blood, even they have to be jailed. So the freedom struggle, we should make the people aware regarding this freedom struggle, regarding this sacrifice. तो secondly, आपको जो बोला है, जो freedom struggle and thereafter ideas at 75. It means 75 में हमारा जो आइडियाज़ है देश के प्रगति के लिए, देश के अभी जो आइडिया हम लोग अभी है, और आदमी लोग बहुत यूथ, they will contribute, or particularly the youth and other people also, they may contribute in ideas regarding our development or our nation's progress. So at the same time, the achievements at 75, what we achieved so far, and these achievements and thereafter actions, what actions we will be taking for observing this celebration, for celebrating this celebration, and at the same time what we are going to take resolve for our country's development and progress. So these are the areas where the 5 subheads, and Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, they have taken only 2 ideas: actions and resolve. Actions at the rates 75, actions at 75, and resolve at 75. So the actions, what are the actions? let the people be made aware, or let the people take their initiative to keep their body healthy and fit, and they should they should be encouraged to they should be encouraged to take up the matter of physical fitness as their routine life. And we have to take this resolve. We have to resolve that today is the time, on the occasion of 75 years of independence. Let us take this resolve that we would afford time, at least 30 minutes every day, for our physical fitness. And if we do not be physically fit, then how our nation can be a fit and healthy India, and how we can progress if we are not developed physically. So, and at the same time, these fitness activities will help us also to get freedom from obesity, for depression or stress, mental stress, or even this, at this pandemic situation, it is very much required, where we can be mentally and physically fit if we take minimum 30 minutes of any kind of physical activities, running, jogging, or something. If we cannot make it in the field, then let us take this fitness activity in our own houses, at our own areas, residences. We can do it, but we should be involved in these physical activities. So we are giving this stress on this fitness India, and that's why we are organizing throughout the country a fitness, Freedom India, Fit India Freedom Run, which has been mentioned. That Fit India Freedom Run will be organizing at the on every Saturday in throughout the country. It has started today. आज ये शुभारंभ हुआ, उसमें it has been started and inaugurated and launched this program by our Honorable Minister, Mr. Anurag Thakur. He is also Information and Broadcasting Minister, and he is also the Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs Ministry, and at the same time Minister of State, Mr. Nishit Pramanik. He also accompanied him at the time of launching this program today. And on today, 75 districts of historical important places where freedom movement or something happened, and in those 75 districts, this program has been organized, and today in 75 districts it has been being organized. And from tomorrow onwards, from 14th to 2nd October, it will continue on every Saturday. 75 districts across the country, 75 districts have been selected to perform this program on every Saturday till 2nd October. And Nehru Yuva Kendra has been organizing this program, and somewhere NSS also helping us, and NSS also participating in this program, in this event. But due to pandemic situation, if this freedom run, we are asked to do it in every district headquarter on 14th and 15th. It is being organized at South Sikkim, at Namchi, and other places also. And the 21st August, it will be organized in at West Sikkim. It means gazing. And on 28th August, it will be organized in North Sikkim at Mangan, and on 4th September, it will be organized at Gangtok for East Sikkim. So these are all the 4 districts will be covered, and all the 4 programs of the district level will be organized on this from 14th to starting from 14th to 4th September. We are all going to, yes, 14th and 15th also, 2 days.
Rest of the district only 1 day.
Only 1 day. Actually, it will be continued from 14th to 15th. It will start on 14th, and since 15th August is also our Independence Day, and we are going to complete 75 years. So we have planned in such a way that this program will be organized starting from 14th and 15th. On 14th, 2 or 3 places it will be held, and at the same time, we are organizing in every district. 75 villages will organize this program, this freedom run or fitness activities in 75 villages of each district. Although North Sikkim has got less than 75 villages, because this geographical area, that is the villages, perhaps the villages, total villages are 54. So there it is not possible to organize in 75 villages, but it will
cover
almost all the villages. So we are trying to cover all the villages, but particularly our plan is to make at least 75 villages in other districts. So where the number of villages are more than 75. So this program, as due to pandemic situation, we are going to organize it that every district level program will be held, and even at every village level program, 75 participants will participate. 75 participants will attend this program, will participate in the run. But what we have decided, that due to pandemic situation, it is not possible to gather 75 persons at a place,
at a single
and even the district administration is also not giving permission to hold this program by a gathering of, by a assembly of 75% or more. So we have decided to break this number.
Into
smaller groups at different places. But the main function will also, obviously it will take at the district headquarters. Just at Namchi, Gejing, Gangtok and Mangan. So besides this, that the village level programs, we are not organizing. Village level program will be organized by our clubs. They will be organized at their own, because this program has been, the main theme of this program is Jan Jagaran and Jan Andolan. So sorry, Jan Jagaran and Jan Andolan, ये जो प्रोग्राम है, ये जो थीम है, इसमें the people will participate, or people will take this program at their own. It is not a program where we are going to organize. We have requested all the clubs that to organize with the local people, local youth, to organize this program at their villages, at their own. So and even where run is not possible, where 25, 30 persons, even a assembly of 40, 50 persons will be a problem, but it is also definitely a problem, particularly at this situation. So we have asked all these, we have requested all of them, all the clubs also, please make it a shorter groups, a group of 10, 15, whatever possible, and let them do. If run is not possible, then jogging, or by standing at a same place, or some kind of physical activities, some kind of fitness activities, any kind of fitness activities, so that this fitness culture is developed amongst the people, and all the people can take it as their own program. So this our objective of this program is also, as you know, that 744 districts. I have given you the some literatures or some papers regarding this, and in this paper it was being mentioned that 744 districts will be covered with this program by Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan at the initiative of the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. It is this program is just, we are thinking in this way, we are organizing this program in this way. It is not that only Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports is organizing this Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. It is being organized by various departments, culture departments, information department, and other various departments. They are also organizing
all
at their
the
own.
state governments, all
Even the
district
state government,
administrations.
even the state
Everybody is-
government, district administration, they are also organizing. So what this program, we would like to have it a people's program. Let it be a people's program, and I am very much sure that to make a people's movement or people's program, it is necessary for wide publicity. At the same time, it is necessary, and media has got a very important role, because that is the media is the fourth pillar of democracy, and media can create a people's awareness, media can create awareness or development, any development. Awareness is necessary, people's participation is necessary. Without people's participation, nothing is developed, our country cannot progress. So I am absolutely depending upon you to, it is not only an effort of Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan, I think it should be an effort of all of you, and even we are requesting you to join at this freedom run when it will take place. And I also request you, and I also request all the people of Sikkim and youth of, particularly the youth of Sikkim, to undertake this program, these fitness activities as their daily, in their daily routine, in their daily lives. So that's all. If you have any other query, you may ask.
Sir, just two technical questions. This freedom run is being organized by Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan, right, sir?
Yes,
Under the initiative of Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs.
youth affairs.
Okay. And अब जो